Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe, like and also share this video. The hashtag justice for Tlhle is currently trending on all social media, you guys, after Namhla Mtu, who was in a long-time abusive relationship with boyfriend Mfesane, was shot 9 times on her driveway at Dadwa View in Mthatha on the 21st of April 2022. Namhla was only 34 years old and worked in the finance department of OR Tambo District Municipality. It is alleged that she got killed when she tried to leave the abusive relationship with a boyfriend Mfesane Beguzulu. According to a statement issued by the late Namhla's sister, Beguzulu abused her sister and she strongly believes that he is responsible for her murder. As her sister had been communicating with her on WhatsApp and she has seen the horrific bruises her sister had to endure at the hands of Beguzulu. She also shared them on her Facebook page, you guys. It is said that the police have confiscated Namhla's phone, which contains a lot of evidence, and people are fearing that the phone and evidence might disappear since this abusive guy is well connected. But however, Namhla's sister Sanga Nozintaba has saved them on her phone and even posted the horrific evidence on her Facebook account. Her sister mentioned one time when Namhla was beaten to a pulp with a shambok and was forced to shower bleeding with cold water at 4 a.m. in the morning. The late Namhla's sister also posted the fake and evil apology that Beguzulu gave to Namhla after beating her with a shambok, and he simply said, "Uxolo wethu." Namhla's sister shared this sad and emotional message, you guys. The abuse was not only physical, but he abused her mentally, financially, and emotionally, demented her to nothing but wouldn't let her leave. Tlhle was not allowed to speak for herself. She's gone now, and I will speak for her now. And also people on social media had this to say, you guys, may Tlhle's soul rest in peace and may she get the justice she deserves. Here are some of those comments. Some of us grew up Mthatha. Women abuse and rape is a culture there. Guys just pick any girl they want and go and rape her, and no one says anything. I was 13 when a man named Spice would just pick me and go rape me in daylight, and nobody said nothing. You asking why didn't she leave? This monster met her when she was 17. He groomed her, broke her piece by piece. That's the only kind of love she understood, and when she finally gained the courage to leave, she got killed. He would call her while he's on loudspeaker with his friends and ask her who's the Minister of Finance, and when she said she doesn't know, they would all laugh at her, and this guy would say to his friends, "What did I tell you? Sit dumb. I would never marry her."